Las Vegas. How to get rich, the ultimate business and money-making guide. Welcome to Vegas, the city of money, power, and high-stakes business. Las Vegas. A neon empire where billion-dollar deals are made over cocktails and fortunes shift overnight. Some people come here to try their luck. Others come here to build lasting wealth. But here's the real secret. The biggest money in Vegas isn't made on the casino floors. It's made by the people who run the city. So how do you build wealth in Las Vegas? What are the most profitable industries in this entertainment capital? How do top investors leverage tourism, real estate, and hospitality? What high-paying careers offer the best opportunities for long-term success? But that's just the beginning. What about the exclusive business circles, high-end real estate deals, and luxury industries driving this city today? We're not just talking about making money in Vegas. We're unlocking the financial strategies behind one of the most powerful cities in America. The billion-dollar hospitality and entertainment industry. Who really wins? Las Vegas thrives on luxury, tourism, and world-class entertainment. But let's be clear. The real winners aren't the ones spending big. They're the ones owning and running the businesses. The high-value players, casinos and gaming technology. While gaming is a major industry, the real wealth lies in casino ownership, management, and cutting-edge gaming technology. Luxury hotels and resorts. Real estate in Vegas is prime territory, with investors making millions from top-tier accommodations. Events and showbiz. From boxing matches to international music festivals, Vegas is a global entertainment hub. High-end nightlife and dining. Exclusive experiences attract VIP clients, making this a multi-billion-dollar industry. Luxury retail and shopping. Global brands like Rolex, Gucci, and Chanel thrive in Las Vegas. But let's take a step back. Who really owns these businesses? Most top hotels, casinos, and venues are owned by investment firms, corporate groups, and major shareholders. If you want to compete in their league, you'll need more than just capital. You'll need insight and strategy. Investing in Vegas. The smart approach. Not everyone can own a casino. But smart investors know how to capitalize on Las Vegas. Casino and hospitality investments. Major companies like MGM Resorts, Caesars Entertainment, and Wynn Resorts dominate the market. Many investors buy shares in these companies instead of trying to own a venue outright. Luxury hotel and short-term rentals. Some investors purchase high-end condos and rent them out for premium nightly rates. Entertainment and event sponsorships. Major concerts, sports events, and festivals generate millions in sponsorships and ticket sales. But here's what most people don't realize. There are exclusive investor circles that control funding, luxury experiences, and business expansion across Vegas. To succeed in this city, you need more than just money. You need industry connections and business acumen. The power brokers of Las Vegas. Who runs the show? Vegas isn't just about gaming. It's about power, influence, and business dominance. Elite event planning and VIP hospitality. Some of the most exclusive private events for celebrities and billionaires are worth hundreds of thousands per night. Major concerts, shows, and sports events. Whether it's Cirque du Soleil, UFC fights, or global music festivals, top event promoters generate millions in revenue. Independent entertainers and luxury services. If you have talent in Vegas, you can turn it into serious income with the right industry connections. But let's be real. Vegas has entertainment power players who decide which artists, brands, and businesses make it big. Success here isn't just about talent. It's about networking, branding, and strategic positioning. The Vegas tech boom. A new era of wealth. Las Vegas is evolving. While it's known for casinos and entertainment, the city is also becoming a major tech hub. AI and smart casinos. The future of gaming includes AI-driven experiences and advanced security technology. Esports and online gaming. Digital gaming and esports are rapidly growing, attracting millions in investments. Cryptocurrency and blockchain in hospitality. Some venues already accept Bitcoin and digital payments, showing the future of finance in Vegas. Tech startups and business expansion. With zero state income tax, Nevada is one of the most business-friendly states for startups. The people who still see Vegas as just a gambling city are behind. The ones investing in tech and innovation are already winning big. The 5 golden rules for financial success in Vegas. Before you dive in, here are the 5 key rules for making serious money in Las Vegas. 1. Don't gamble for wealth. The real winners own businesses, invest in industries, and focus on long-term success. 2. Leverage tourism and hospitality. With millions of visitors every year, Vegas is an economic powerhouse. Smart investors take advantage. 3. Master networking. Connections in Vegas open doors to high-value opportunities. 4. Find your niche. Whether it's entertainment, tech, or luxury real estate, dominate your market. 5. Think like an investor. The smartest players in Vegas are always 2 steps ahead. The Vegas money game. Are you ready? Las Vegas isn't just a city. It's an economic powerhouse. You can lose everything chasing luck, or you can build wealth through business, investments, and career growth. Want to know another untapped Vegas industry? Our next video dives into Las Vegas wedding industry, one of the most surprising and profitable markets in the city. Subscribe to City Unlocked 360, hit like, and remember, in Vegas, the real winners don't play the game. They own it.